If you're new to makeup, stop wasting your money. These are the only products that you need to get started. There are so many products online that it's easy to think that you need everything. But the truth is, you don't.
Put them hands together. We clapping. We drumming.
The biggest mistakes that beginners make is buying too much too soon. Instead of buying everything, focus on the products that you actually use every day. I'm going to show you the makeup product I recommend for beginners and help you build your first makeup kit without spending a fortune. Healthy skin helps makeup look smoother and last longer. Wash your face, apply moisturizer, wear sunscreen. My favorite moisturizer is CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. I love this moisturizer right here. And my all-time favorite SPF is this one right here, is Beauty by Johnson. I love this SPF. It does not leave that white cast. It just applies beautifully. And I use this pretty much every day, even without makeup. My favorite foundation is Maybelline New York Fit Me in the shade Coconut. I am obsessed with this foundation right here. The goal is an even complexion, not to change your skin tone. Use concealer to cover dark circles or blemishes. So I use two concealers. One is to cover the blemishes, and this one right here is amazing, Charlotte Tilbury. So this is Hollywood Flawless Filter. It is amazing in the shade Deep. I can also use this as a foundation. That's what I love about this. And it applies beautifully. And the concealer to cover dark circles, I go in with the Maybelline New York eraser. This is amazing. You can also build this one up. I love that. Use a light layer of setting powder to reduce shine and helps your makeup last longer. My favorite setting powder is this one here, Maybelline New York Fit Me. I am obsessed. Blush adds color and freshness. My favorite blush is this one right here, Fenty Beauty, and it's two turned. It's like the perfect pink. I am obsessed. The goal is start with the little and build as you need. Apply bronzer lightly around your forehead, your cheeks, and your jawline and blend. My favorite cream blush is Curve Case, made by Mitchell, and then shade Chocolate Charm. I even use this as a lip liner. I am obsessed with this case right here. And with the powder bronzer, I go in with the Charlotte Tilbury in Four Dip Foncé. So it is a bit deceiving. It goes dark on the skin for me, so I use this as a bronzer. Mascara makes the lashes look longer and the eyes brighter. It is the easiest eye product for beginners. My favorite mascara is Huda Beauty One Coat Wow. And this one is Very Venta. Brush brow with gel and lightly fill in with a brow pencil. My favorite gel is this one right here. I am obsessed with this one. It just sets your brows to perfection. Lip liner and lip gloss are easy beginner-friendly choice. My favorite lip liner is by MAC in the shade Root For Me. This is a pretty lip liner. This is what I currently got on. I am obsessed. And with the lip gloss, I currently have Fenty Beauty in the shade Honey Waffle. I am obsessed with this one here. Start with the makeup foundation brush. I use a dense one for foundation. This one right here. And to apply blush, so this is the brush that I use. It's like an angled brush. And with the powder foundation brush, I go in with a flat one like this one here. It just makes the application easier and I've got better control. Affordable makeup can perform just as well as expensive product. Upgrade over time if you choose. Makeup is about confidence and having fun, not perfection. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for some weekly content.